Now I want to teach you how to close your Palmpay account, as in delete it. Now if you want to delete your Palmpay account, the same thing you did the first time. You choose from the home, you select me. From me, you click on settings over here, and then from the settings, you click on, at the bottom here, you see close Palmpay account. You select that, and then you can see all the procedures for account closure. They said you'll no longer be able to log in and use this account. Your account transaction history, bound with NIN and BV information, linked back data will be cleared. You'll no longer be able to use cashback or other saving services. You'll no longer be able to use flexi and cash loans features. Your ATM card will be deactivated. You'll be unable to process transactions. Your points, coupon, and other benefits will be cleared. Your Palmpay business services will no longer be accessible. Now, if you agree to all these conditions, simply click on I understand and agree with account closure terms, and you select continue. Simple.